Right then, in the process of unpacking the operational design, four main outputs will eventually merge to form the overall organizational model. Firstly, the organizational structure, often visually represented through an organogram with a hierarchy of authority, roles, and responsibilities, to guide how employees interact, with the aim of achieving overall business goals. It illustrates relationships between different positions and functions, and outlines how tasks are allocated, coordinated, and supervised. The key roles in the organizational structure include the executive officers, who oversee the entire organization, set strategic direction, and ensure alignment across all departments. They are positioned at the top of the hierarchy, they are accountable for the organization's performance, and they work closely with all teams to create synergy. Next are the middle managers, who implement strategies set by executives, manage departmental operations, and serve as a bridge between upper management and frontline employees. They oversee specific functional areas such as marketing, finance, and so forth. Reporting to the middle managers are the department heads, who manage team performance within specific sub-functions that reside within the main functions, and ensure departmental goals align with organizational objectives. Team leaders or supervisors form the next layer, directing day-to-day activities of team members, providing guidance, and ensuring tasks are completed efficiently. They typically manage smaller teams which are focused on specific projects or functions. Team members are positioned at the base of the hierarchy, with the responsibility of executing specific tasks assigned by supervisors or team leaders. Clearly defined roles help employees understand their duties and how they contribute to the organization's objectives, in order to reduce confusion and enhance productivity. When a structured approach is adopted and responsibilities are assigned explicitly, it becomes easier to hold individuals accountable for their performance, fostering a culture of responsibility within the organization. Furthermore, tasks are typically completed without redundancy or overlap, facilitating better teamwork and optimizing operational efficiency. A people leadership strategy focuses on developing and implementing practices that enhance employee engagement, performance, and well-being within an organization. This strategy is vital for aligning the workforce with the organization's goals, fostering a positive workplace culture, and ensuring effective execution of strategic plans. Key elements of a people leadership strategy include establishing a clear vision that aligns with the organization's mission and values, by setting specific, measurable objectives that guide leadership efforts in developing people, as well as encouraging leaders to empower team members by giving them autonomy in decision-making, thus fostering a culture where employees feel valued and trusted. Other elements include implementing continuous learning opportunities through coaching, mentoring, and training programs, by focusing on developing both technical skills and soft skills, such as communication and teamwork, as well as promoting transparent communication channels. This is to ensure that employees are informed about organizational goals and their roles in achieving them, by encouraging feedback loops where employees can share insights and suggestions. Skills and competency alignment is a strategic approach that ensures employees possess the necessary skills and competencies to meet organizational goals and objectives. This alignment is crucial for enhancing productivity, fostering employee development, and achieving overall business success. The key outcomes of a good skills and competency alignment design include enhanced performance, where the alignment of skills with organizational goals ensures that employees are equipped to meet their job demands effectively, leading to improved productivity and performance outcomes. Employee development is also a key outcome, because by identifying skill gaps, organizations can create targeted training programs that enable employees to grow in their roles, enhancing their capabilities and career prospects. Other key outcomes include strategic focus, which is achieved by aligning competencies with strategic objectives, ensuring that all employees work towards common goals, promoting cohesion and collaboration across the organization, as well as effective talent management, which is as a result of having a clear understanding of required competencies. This aids in recruitment, performance evaluation, and succession planning, ensuring that the right talent is in place to drive organizational success. The second main output is the operational architecture, which encompasses the processes and activities necessary for effective operation, focusing on what needs to be done. It details specific actions that are often interrelated and contribute to achieving larger objectives, along with broader processes that encompass multiple tasks, transforming inputs into outputs that are necessary for fulfilling operational and strategic goals. What is key in the design of the operational architecture with the end game of arriving at a data-driven organizational design, is the data flow between operational nodes, detailing what information is needed, when, and how it should be shared to ensure smooth operations. A well-designed operational architecture will allow an organization to remain adaptable in dynamic environments by clearly defining roles, tasks, and interactions among various components, further enabling the organization to efficiently achieve its strategic objectives. Process optimization involves adjusting processes to improve efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance, while minimizing costs and maximizing output. It is aimed at enhancing productivity and ensuring that resources are utilized effectively. Common techniques in performing process optimization include the lean methodology, which focuses on eliminating non-value-adding waste activities throughout the entire process chain. Waste activities include things such as overproduction, waiting time, transportation, scrap, rework, and inspection. Six Sigma is a technique that uses a data-driven approach which is aimed at reducing defects and variability in processes. It utilizes the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control framework, often referred to as the DMAIC framework, to identify and eliminate causes of errors. A PDCA cycle, which is a plan, do, check, act cycle, is an iterative technique that promotes continuous improvement by planning changes, implementing them, checking results, and acting on what has been learned. It encourages ongoing evaluation and refinement of processes. Other techniques include Kaizen, a Japanese term meaning continuous improvement. It focuses on small, incremental changes that lead to significant improvements over time, involving all employees in identifying areas for enhancement. Value stream mapping, VSM, is a visual tool used to analyze the flow of materials and information required to bring a product or service to the customer. It helps identify bottlenecks and areas where waste can be eliminated. Process mining is a technique that uses data mining techniques to analyze event logs from information systems, to discover patterns and insights about current processes, helping organizations understand where inefficiencies lie by providing data-driven evidence. Lastly, the People Capability Maturity Model, PCMM, focuses on the continuous development of workforce capabilities, alongside integrated process improvement, with the aim of creating a culture of continuous learning and institutionalized change within organizations. Process enablement refers to the systematic approach of integrating the necessary tools and resources to enable effective execution of processes. It is integral to enhancing productivity and ensuring that processes within an organization run smoothly. Operational components are the essential elements that make up the operations of an organization. Understanding these components is crucial for managing operations successfully. Key components include inputs, the resources required to produce goods or services, which includes raw materials, equipment, and information. Effective management of inputs is critical to ensuring that production processes run smoothly and efficiently. Transformation processes are a component that involves converting inputs to outputs. These processes include manufacturing processes, service delivery methods, and any activities that add value to the inputs. The efficiency of these processes directly impacts the quality and cost of the final product or service. Outputs as an operational component refers to finished goods or services delivered to customers, representing the end result of the transformation process. Ensuring that outputs meet quality standards and customer expectations is essential for organizational success. Feedback mechanisms as a component refers to systems that are in place to gather information on performance outcomes. Outcomes includes customer feedback, performance metrics, and quality assessments. Analyzing feedback helps organizations identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to their operations. Human resources is a component that encompasses all personnel involved in the operational processes, from frontline workers to management. Effective management of human resources is crucial for optimizing productivity and maintaining a motivated workforce. Technology and equipment as a component are vital for supporting operational processes. These include machinery, software systems, and tools used in production. Investing in the right technology can enhance efficiency and reduce operational costs. Supply chain management is a component that involves coordinating all aspects of the supply chain, from sourcing raw materials to delivering finished products to customers. Effective supply chain management ensures that inputs are available when needed and that outputs reach customers in a timely manner. Lastly, performance metrics are an operational component that encompasses indicators that are used to assess the efficiency and effectiveness of operational processes. Common metrics include production rates, quality control measures, and cost analysis. Regularly monitoring these metrics allows the organization to identify trends and make data-driven decisions for improvement.